Good morning children. We will continue the same lesson, our body parts and sense organs. Okay. So yesterday we learned about the 5 sense organs and now we will know by each organ how it is useful for us. Okay. So we will take first organ, eyes. Okay. So see the picture here. I drawn here. And what are the parts of the eyes here? Okay. Eyebrow. This is eyebrow. Okay. Iris. This is iris. And pupil. Okay. This is pupil. And this is eyeball. Okay. So this is the parts of the eye. So now we will know one quote is there for us. Okay. Sarvendriyanam Nayanam Pradhanam. Okay. What do you mean by that? Sarvendriyanam Nayanam Pradhanam. So when you compare to the all organs, eyes are plays an important role in our body. Okay. In our this human body. Okay. So, Sarvendriyanam Nayanam Pradhanam. Eyes are very important for us. Okay. Blind people. Okay. So, when you see the blind people, how do they work? We think now, how do they work and how you will feel, how we will feel when we see them. Okay. And you think all these three. Okay. How to help them. Okay. You have to tell me to how we can help them and how they are doing their work. And how can we help them. Okay. Now here we are able to enjoy the beauty of nature just because of eyes. So how we are enjoying? Because of the eyes. Okay. Because of the eyes only we are enjoying the nature, beauty of the nature. Okay. Eyes are important organ our body. Why? Okay. How? Eyes are very important for us. Why? Okay. With the help of eyes, we can see the world. With the help of eyes, we can see the world. We can see what is happening around us. If our eyes are not there, means we will not be knowing what is happening now. So, with the help of eyes, we can see what is happening around us. Okay, we can enjoy the scenic beauty of the nature. Means lovely, pretty or beauty of the nature. With the eyes, we can see. We can recognize things and remember them. Even once you see any object, okay, if you don't see any object, you will not be knowing what is the picture of that. Okay, if you see any object, you might be having remember of that picture or image, whatever. Okay, so even without eyes, the nature around is like dark room. Without eyes, the nature around is like a dark room. Okay, if you close your eyes, what you will see? Dark. No, nothing you can see. No. Okay, like a dark room. Okay. So we can say that eyes are the most important organs of our body. So with this we can say that eyes are very important word and it's an important organ in our body. Thank you. We will continue with the same topic, that is eyes we are talking about now. So now how to protect the eyes. Okay, how to protect the eyes. Okay, precautions to protect our eyes. Okay, always read in sufficient light. Okay, we have to read any textbook or whatever we are doing work, means we have to work in a sufficient light. Okay, do not read while traveling. Okay, if you are traveling in a bus or okay, car, whatever, so you should not read the books or whatever. Okay, you must watch our okay, we must wash our eyes daily with cold water. Whenever we get time, means what we have to do? Okay, free time we have to wash our eyes with the cold water. Okay, if you are not able to see the letters, inform your teacher and parents. Okay, if you are not able to see the board or if you are not able to see any objects, first what you have to do? You have to inform your teacher or your parents so that they will be knowing not that you are not able to see. Okay, do not rub your eyes. Okay, you should not rub your eyes. Okay, and always watch the TV with sufficient light in the room. Okay, whenever you watch TV, means there should be sufficient light in the room and make the distance of 2.5 meters distance. TV to your whatever seating place is there, na? 2.5 meters distance should be there at least. Okay. Now, do not use others handkerchief and towels used by other persons suffering with eye infection. If any people are having eye infection, the used towels or kerchiefs of that person should not be used by us. Okay, consult an eye specialist. Okay, whenever you feel any irritation, redness or watering from any other problems in your eyes, just go to the doctor. Okay, consult your doctor and take the precautions from your doctor. Okay, now what are the things you are to eat to keep your eyes healthy? That is, you eat a lot of leafy vegetables, green, okay, and fruits also. Okay, thank you. Hello children, we will continue the same topic. Okay, our sense organs, and one more organ we will take now, that is ears. Ears are very delicate organs in our body. Okay, ears which are very delicate in our body. Okay, we hear different sounds with the help of our ears. We hear different kinds of different types of sounds with our ears. If a person cannot hear by birth, cannot speak sign, okay, even but if a person born only is not able to hear, means even he cannot speak because he don't know how to, because he cannot hear no sounds. Okay, now so sign language is used for such people. If the persons who are deaf, for them this sign language is used with the help of symbols and gestures. Okay, some sounds are pleasant to hear while the other sounds are harsh. Some melodious songs we listen, we feel very happy to listen. But sounds, some sounds which make us very rash, harsh sounds will be coming for us. Okay. Okay, pleasant music and melodious songs make us feel happy. I told you na, it feels us happy. Okay, sounds that exceed the audible range cause sound pollution. If the range of the audible is increases, it will make sound pollution. Okay, so here precautions to protect our ears. Okay, what is next? Precautions to protect our ears. Okay, it is harmful to hear others speaking on cell phones for long time. If you talk with anyone with long time in cell phones, it is very harmful for our ears. If we hear loud sounds of crackers during Diwali day, we close our eyes. Okay, whenever we get a lot of heavy noise, loud sounds, we should close our ears. Okay, we should not insert hairpins, matchsticks to clean the ears. We should not insert matchsticks or hairpins inside the ears. We should not drop castor oil or other oils in the ears. We should not drop any castor oil or other types of oil in our ear. Okay, we should close our ears with cotton plugs when we are going to swimming pool. When we are going to swimming pool, we have to close our ears with the ear plugs, so that the water should not go into our water. Okay, thank you.
Thank you very much.